welcome back to the second video about our safety project using Siemens TR Portal V20. Alright, so we do have the CPU set, and now I will be setting some parameters in the CPU. So first of all, if we click on here on this little window here, we will be able to open the properties and go to the General tab. And first of all, we'll go to the project information and change the name of the PLC, and I will change the name according to the electrical print. So the electrical print is structured in higher level function and how they call it the city. So I will call it equal 28 plus S1, and then I just realized I did use the automatic setting of the E-plant, so I will have to change this name of the PLC to KF, and it will be the KF1. So we will have the equal 28 plus S1 for the place where it's installed, and then the actual name of it. So we will have the equal 28 plus S1 minus KF1. So this is the actual IEC normative name for a PLC. Alright, so the catalog information, I think there is nothing to change, and I don't know if it's important in identification and maintenance. I don't know if we need to do anything on that. The failsafe activation will be activated in our case because we will mainly working with a safety program in this case. Destination address, range of Profi-safe address type. I'm not quite sure what that means. The Profinet general, the Profinet interface. I'll probably leave this the way it is. Failsafe parameters, I don't change anything on that. Ethernet addresses. The Ethernet address will be according to the drawing the IP 128.168.0.10. So I will just put a 10 in here. Operating mode, I don't think there's much to change. Advanced stuff, I'm not sure if we need to change anything on that. To be honest, this is the first time I make this safety program myself, and I have been looking at some other stuff, and most people just say to leave those settings the way they are, so we will not be changing anything at all. So this is it for the safety parameters of the PLC CPU, and in the next video I will show you how to add on further input and output modules which will be placed on the chassis right here. So thank you for watching on this video on how to set the parameters for the safety on a CPU 1500 TR Portal V20. Thank you for watching.